Hey y'all, we're starting with a cup and a half of root beer. You can use any kind of root beer you want. I'm using A&W because I'm kind of old school that way. A full cup of your favorite barbecue sauce. So I'm using the Kraft Original, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. And then we're just going to be throwing in some spices. This is a Cajun blend by Weber, but you can use any sort of Cajun blend. And to that, we're going to be adding some freshly ground black pepper, just as much as you'd like. And then we're just going to add just a little bit of salt. So once this is all mixed together, this is a 4-pound butt roast without the bone in it. If you have a larger crock pot, you can use a full 6-pound butt roast with the bone in, but mine is smaller. So go ahead and pour your entire mixture over the pork. And honestly, that's all we're doing. It's really just that simple. Put a lid on this and it goes for 8 hours on low or 4 hours on high. Oh my goodness, this looks so amazing. Seriously, I love pulled pork and this is the easiest way for me to make it. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, it's falling apart. Okay. Ooh. Oh no. Yep. Ooh. Take this up in sections. I'm not a barbecue master. I'm not like a pit master or anything, but this is not bad for a pulled pork. Let me get a pair of forks, get in here. I mean, look at how easy. I mean, so few ingredients. And it smells so good. It smells like I'm living like above a barbecue plate. Okay, so now that I have this kind of shredded, let me get some sandwich buns. I've got these toasted pretzel buns, which are really, really good. And I'm gonna take some of this pulled pork, put that on the bottom. Oh, the fact that I just don't even need to use a knife is just so good. Get a little fatty piece in there. And then, if you want, you can add a little bit of extra barbecue sauce if you want. I know I cooked with the Kraft, but let me get some Sweet Baby Ray's on here, just on top. I got some coleslaw, because, you know, pulled pork sandwiches always go great with coleslaw. Goes right on top. And let's do a taste test. Oh, look at this sandwich. Looks so good. Okay, so let me take a bite. It's so juicy. It is so juicy. And the coleslaw is really great on top, but that pulled pork, amazing. I hope you give it a shot. It's really, really good.